Suppose I deposit or and invest $2,000 in bank account. There are 2 quarters in 1 year. I will receive 2 payments in 1 year. I will earn $200 interest at the end of the first 6 months with 10% interest rate. I reinvest $200 in bank account, then I will earn $420 interest at the end of the last 6 months with 10% interest rate. Adding interest earned from an investment is called compounding. The normal interest and plus the extra interest on the reinvested interest is called compound interest. Active cell reference E7. Enter equal sign. To calculate 10% earn interest on invested amount, multiply these two cells values. Click cell reference D7. Enter multiplication operator. Click cell reference C7. Press enter key. Formula returns $200 in this cell. So I earn $200 interest at the end of the first 6 months. To calculate total amount in the bank account, add the value of earned interest in the value of invested amount. Active cell reference F7. Enter equal sign. Click cell reference C7. Enter addition operator. Click cell reference E7. Press enter key. So total amount in the bank account is $2,200 at the end of the first 6 months. I reinvest this amount in the bank account. Active cell reference E8. To calculate earned interest of the last 6 months, multiply these two cells values. Enter equal sign. Click cell reference C8. Enter multiplication operator. Click cell reference D8. Press enter key. So I earn $220 at the end of the last 6 months. To calculate total amount in the bank account, add the value of earned interest in the value of invested amount. Active cell reference F8. Enter equal sign. Click cell reference C8. Enter addition operator. Click cell reference E8. Press enter key. So total amount in the bank account is $2,420 at the end of the first year or at the end of last 6 months. This amount is with normal interest and this amount is with extra interest on the reinvested interest. This is called compound interest because I have reinvested this amount and 10% of this amount is $2,420. Compound interest can be calculated by this formula. Active cell reference D15. Enter equal sign. Enter investment amount. Enter multiplication operator. Open bracket. Type 1. Enter addition operator. Enter interest rate. Close bracket. Raise the power by total payments. Enter exponent operator. Click this cell reference. Press enter key. Formula returns The same result in cell reference D15 as in cell reference F8. So these two results are same. This amount is called compound interest because it is earned by adding the interest amount to the investment.